Welcome friends. Today we are here to discuss on a most important topic in the subject of mathematics who are currently in class 11 or in class 10th is interested to learn about learn mathematics for class 11. So the topic name is graph. Although it is not directly linked with any of the chapters which we will which you will learn in class 11 mathematics, but it is one of the most important, most used thing. Okay, so here in today's session we will learn how to draw true graphs. What are they? Y is equal to mx plus c, that is a straight line. Okay, number 2, y is equal to mod of x, and number 3, that is y is equal to sine of x. Okay, now we will take many variations. Okay, first let us discuss the basic graph. Y is equal to mx plus c. What does m means here? Let us understand. M means the slope, which can be also written as tan theta, right? And c means the y-intercept. Okay, so let us discuss this in a graph. Okay, let us consider this is a graph, right? So what is slope? It is tan theta, and slope is taken with respect to the positive of x-axis. Okay, means this one is always theta, right? Then this tan theta is known as the slope. And what is which portion is c? C is this portion. Okay, this y-intercept. Okay, now let us see a common graph which we have seen, y is equal to x, right? So in this case slope is 1, right? Means theta is pi by 4, right? Because tan pi by 4 is 1, and intercept is 0. So what will be the graph will look like? As intercept is 0, so it will start from 0 origin, right? And the angle is will be pi by 4. So the graph will be like this, right? Now let us see the second graph, which is y is equal to, let us see it if it goes like this, 3x. How will the graph change from this? Okay, it's 3, right? Means m is changed to 3, right? So theta will be something like tan inverse 3. Means the slope of the curve here, it is 45 degree, it will be in a tan inverse 3, so it will be like this, somewhat like this. I think you have understood how to draw this, right? If it so you can do here 4 5 5 by 4 by 5, any fraction number you can understand. What will be the change in it? The change will be this slope. Okay, now if it is like this, that there is a addition here done here, then what will be the change then? See, here c is 3, right? Means there is an intercept of 3, so the graph will be like this. Why like this? Because here it is c and y-intercept is c. Okay, it will start from 3. I think you have understood how we can draw this. Now let us go through a mixed among those two. If it comes 3x plus 3, then how we can draw it? It is easy, like this. Now First, if there is a composition, then the easiest way to draw, first let us take the base element. What is the base among this in this function? It's y is equal to x, right? Y is equal to x is the basic function. So I am drawing a y is equal to x. I am drawing it in a dotted line. Okay, now it comes y is equal to 3x, right? So the slope will change to like this, right? This line is y is equal to 3x. Now we have added plus 3, means this from this origin it will go up to plus 3, right? And this will be like this. So what is the resultant graph? It is this. I have explained you like this because if there is, when we will add box of x with add fractional part of x, and suppose you will see later that when we do sin x, right, when we will do sine of mod x, mod of sin x, so this will help you that time. Okay, so I think you have understood the basics how to draw this any composition. Here we can give fractions, any type of. So I am giving you a problem. Try it at home to draw a graph of this function. It's easy, I think. Okay, this is your homework. All right. So this is the basic function, basic how to draw any straight line which falls in y is equal to mx plus c. I think you have understood it, right? Now let us see y is equal to mod of x. Next is y is equal to mod of x. In case of mod x, there are specially two ways, right? What are those? Mod of x can be written in two ways. One is plus x when x is greater than 0, and another one is minus x when x is less than 0. I think everybody knows it, right? So let us draw the graph now. See, when x is greater than 0, means this portion here x is greater than 0, it will give y is equal to x, right? So as we have seen, y is equal to x is like this. And when it is less than 0, means this portion, it will give minus of x, right? So it will be like this. This is the easy graph for y is equal to mod of x. Now we will draw another graph now. How to draw y is equal to mod of 2x. Let us see how to draw this. I think it is also very easy. What we will do now? Mod of 2x, right? So we will break it up. What will be there? 2x when x is greater than 0, and minus 2x when x is less than 0, right? It is easy, I think. So when y is equal to 2x, you know now when y is equal to 2x, y is equal to x was like this, right? When y is equal to is 2x, then the slope will be like this. And when y is equal to minus 2x, similarly it will be like this. It's very easy. Now let us change it like this. What will be the graph change from this? What will be the change in the graph? You may try it, as I have discussed here how you can break it, and as you know how you can draw a straight y is equal to mx plus c, it will fall on. So you can try it. Pause the video and try it. Otherwise you can always check, do it here. It will be x plus 3 when x is greater than 0, and minus of x minus 3 when x is less than 0. It's very easy. So what is the graph now? It's y is equal to x plus 3, right? Means it will come from here plus 3 y axis, right? Because here the intercept is 3, right, for this one. And we can also write it as like this, so it will go like this, right? Now let us see another way. Let us see another question. If it is given like this, y is equal to x plus 4 is equal to mod of x, what will be the change here? See, it's easy. First, let us take the basic function. What is it? Y is equal to mod of x. Right, sorry, it will give a 90-degree angle. Sorry for the angle. This will be the function, right? This is what? Y is equal to mod of x. Now, it's y plus 4. Right? Y plus 4 means if we take this this side, then it will go down like this. It will go down to where? Minus 4, right? Sorry. It will go down to minus 4. So I think you have understood how we can draw this. Means, check. When it is here, it will change here. Okay. Now, I am giving you a homework for it. This is a composite of all the things I have learned, I have taught you earlier. Okay, I think you can do it, right? This is the first one. For the second one, okay, try this too. Okay, this is your homework, right? So I have given 3 homework till now. Now we have done y is equal to mod of x and y is equal to mx plus c, this two graph. Okay, that's now for this video. I have told y is equal to sin x we will teach here, so I will give it in another video because there will be many graphs to practice, so it will be a lengthy video. Thank you. If you have any doubt, please tell me on the comment section. You can ask it on the comment section. And please, if you like my videos, please like and subscribe and share with your friends so that they can also get help. Okay, thank you.